Check out this Giraffe Tools Grandfalls Retractable Pressure Washer Plus. Now I've had this for about a year, and so I just wanted to do a quick review on it because it has made washing cars very simple and easy and quick for me. So it has the 100 feet kink-free replaceable hose. It also has several nozzles for different uses. It also comes with this quick release and quick attachment foam cannon, which I will demonstrate here shortly. That works great for washing vehicles. It also has this extension hose that you would connect to your water source. That's a good length that I will connect here to my garden hose. And before I get started on washing the car, I just want to show how dirty and muddy the car is so you can see the difference. I would like to mention that after I connect the water hose and before I turn the switch to get the high pressure on, I do like to purge it from any air by just holding the water down for about 2 minutes just to get all the air out. After the couple minutes goes by, I will go ahead and flip the switch to turn on the high pressure for this power washer. And once you purge the system from the air, you are ready to go ahead and rinse off the whole car from any dust and mud. After you rinse off your entire vehicle from all dust and mud, you can go ahead and attach your foam cannon, which is a quick connect and disconnect. Just like that, and you're ready to go. After the foam cannon, you're ready to wipe the car down, clean it all off. After wiping the whole car down with a rag, it is ready for its final rinse before we dry the car. And the final step is to dry the car. And that's how I wash my car with the Giraffe Tools pressure washer. And this is what the car looks like after the wash. Big thanks to Giraffe Tools pressure washer.